Only one person saw Bobby commit that murder. Opie. That's why you're here. For your own protection. Clay and his crew think that Opie has turned.
Oh, God.
Do you have any idea what these guys do to a rat?
No, Jax wouldn't let anything happen to Opie. They've known each other since they were kids.
Well, I certainly hope that Jax has enough pull to make that happen, because I can only protect him for one more day. Without my help, this thing goes one of two ways. Opie is in prison, or he's dead.
The kid's okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Your mom's coming.